Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you that how you can verify your age on Roblox. So without wasting any time, let's begin our video. First thing you need to do is to open Roblox application on your device. Once you do so, all you need to do is to tap on the more option at the bottom here. From there, you need to tap on settings. And here you need to tap on account info. So once you tap on account info, it will bring you here. And right here, you will find the option verify my age. So all you need to do is to tap on verify my age. And here you need to prepare a valid ID issued by the government. It can be a license, passport, or ID card or residence permit. So you need to prepare that before starting this. And if you have the document, you need to just tap on start session. So guys, once you tap on that one, it will bring you here. Before you start, please have your valid government issued ID. Make sure you're in a well lit room. There should be light because maybe they will take a selfie of you as well. Be prepared to take a selfie and photos of your ID. So if you're ready, then just tap on begin verifying. So we will start to begin verifying. You need to select the countries. What country is your government ID from? You need to select from the list of the countries here. You need to tap here and you can select the country of your residence or the documents which is issued from that country. So guys, I selected the country. Once you do so, tap on select, and here you can upload a photo of the ID, national ID card, or a passport. You can select. So I will select national ID, and then you can tap on the camera icon to take a picture. So I will take a picture of my ID and then I will show you. So guys, as you can see, when you take the front side and the back side of your ID card issued by the government, then the next step is that you should, let's make sure that it is you. So it will take a live selfie of you, and they're showing you that how you can take the selfie. So I will take the selfie and then show it to you the next step. So guys, as you can see, it is verifying and they say, congratulations, you are done. Thanks for verifying your identity. So guys, this is how you can verify your age on Roblox. As you can see here, now it is verified, and I have done it. So you can follow the same steps and verify your age on Roblox. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.